Welcome to SiteForge Online, the quickest and easiest way to set up a professional looking website on the internet. Our system will allow you to choose from 1,400 different templates and build one in under 5 minutes. So the first step is to go to siteforgeonline.com. That's siteforgeonline.com. As you can see, over 172,000 people just like you have used our system and have created professional websites. We've got, for one basic price, you're going to get 500 pages, 500 products, and over 14,000 different design templates to choose from, as well as 5 emails and 30 plus features. To start, you can click the sign up button or click the start button down below. But first, let's take a look at our features. We've got 30 plus features. What you can do is you create a web page with 10 different looking text and image layouts, which are very easy. All you have to do is check a button. You can create links pages, photo albums, good place to share events, maybe stuff with family and clients. You've got multimedia options, so you can embed YouTube videos or your own multimedia, maybe audio and videos that you created yourself, as well as the opportunity to create a custom feedback form with multiple choice answers or drop-down menus. You've got the opportunity to create a contacts page, a guest book for visitors to your page, and recommend site page, which people can forward on to others. Mailing list, newsletters, questions and answer page, a redirect page, and autoresponder page. We also have a great calendar feature which allows you to post your events or articles online as well. And if you're in the restaurant business or maybe in other types of selling industries, you want to create some coupons, we can do that. A map function, as well as a quotes page, polling booth, which you can see what your clients are out there looking at. Hours of operations, table of contents, which will act as a sitemap for your site. If you've got some press releases, we can create web pages with that. And the number one thing, I think the key feature is that a shopping cart is included with this. So what you're looking at, you have space for 500 products. You can have up to 3 images for each product. And it's an integrated shopping cart, meaning that it has PayPal integration, Authorize.net integration, and this will save you $450 in fees when setting up credit card processing. It's also VeriSign Secure Certify, which is the industry leader in online verification. That's another saving of $500. Some of the other great features is our WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get text editor. Allows you to basically enter your text and format it as you would in any word processor like Microsoft Office. You also have the ability to go in there and write HTML code on the source end of it if you're interested in that. And it says 1,200 there, but we have actually over 1,500 different templates available now. Your 5 email addresses, and adding an extra email is just $1 per each mailbox, and over 2,000 stock photos available to help you build your website and make it very functional. You're also going to get a domain name, and if you want to change your domain name and have one that routes right to your address, that's no problem. We do that for you as well. And a lot of great tools and marketing tips on how to really get exposure onto the internet and drive a lot of traffic to your site. Here we're just outlaying a couple of the screenshots, some of the websites that have been built with siteforgeonline.com, and you can see there's a lot of variety, from restaurants to sporting goods to restaurants to health businesses. The list can go on, and it's just a matter of how creative you want to be, or if you'd like us to design it at a charge. But we wanted this to be very simple, easy to get into, and allow you the functionality and the flexibility to really update it yourself. So top 10 benefits of this site are the easy editor, some of the obviously best value features such as the shopping cart, photo albums, professional web design like we talked about, and useful image library. I'm not going to go through them all right now, but let's go back to the main page. And let me touch on the support first. We've got a knowledge base. You've got our online support, which is available 7 days per week, and it's free. There's online documentation, over 33 chapters of information on how to get things started. So to sign up for your free 10-day trial, you just go back to the main page and you click the sign up button. Here we've got 30 templates available for you. Like I said, we have over 1,500 of them, but just to get you started, we've just selected 30 random ones. So let's just scroll through them and figure out which one we like. Winter's coming soon, so let's pick something tropical. And I'm just going to select the first 5 pages here, but I'll select the default, just 3 pages, the home page, the About Us, and Programs. All we have to do is click next step here. Now here's where you're going to enter your web address or website ID. This is going to be your website address until you convert it and change it to a name that you want, or you can always keep it like that. There's no charge for this. So we'll have to enter all our information, our email, and repeat our email. Make sure you choose a valid email because you're going to be asked for a confirmation code to activate your website. Choose a password here, making sure that we fill out all the required fields. Don't worry about the phone number. Make sure it's a legit sort of phone number because it's going to reject it, but we're not going to be calling and contacting you. We're not going to be hassling you at all. You may want to read through the terms of service, privacy policy, and different terms of service. And once you've done that, you want to click Build Site. So we head off to our email because our confirmation code has been sent there. This may take a couple minutes depending on how fast your mail server is responding. Right now I'm using Gmail as a test account. Okay, once we've got the confirmation code in the email, we're going to highlight that and select Copy. And once we paste it in there, we're going to confirm it and our website's going to be active. Alternatively, you could have clicked that link to activate the website, but we just chose to use confirmation code. So once you get in here, you can navigate yourself, get familiar with all the features and functionality. But for the time being, what we'll do is we'll go to edit the site. This is where you'll be doing most of using most of the functionality. So you can see we've got 10 days left to pay for the site before it becomes inactive. And if you recall, we chose a tropical theme on the template, and if we want to change that, we're going to click the design view. So you can see there it is. Nice beach with palm trees. So let's change the template. So we're going to click choose a template. This is where you're going to gain access to all 1,500 plus templates. You can spend a lot of time in there. We're just going to show you a little bit about some of them. They're all categorized as well, as you can tell from the left hand side. So if you're looking for animals, automotive, business, holidays, education, special interest, real estate, the list goes on and on. Go through those and select which ones you like. But if you're looking, let's say, for business, let's scroll up to business. We'll find that and we'll click the business section. And this is going to show you all the templates that are within the business category. And they vary quite a bit, and you have the opportunity to customize them after the fact. But one of the things you might want to get to choose from a template is the color scheme or the format that you'd like to see it in. There's definitely quite a bit of business templates. So if you're looking for computer technology ones, there's also those. But business, there's probably about 100 of them in there, if not more. So let's just pick one. Okay, we'll select this one. And to change the design, all you have to do is click Apply Design. There we go. As you can see, this is the layout of the buttons. And you'll notice that the buttons are on the left-hand side. These are navigation buttons that will navigate through the website. Let's put them just below the header graphic. So we'll select that, and you'll see the buttons have changed to be just below the graphic. Now I don't like that layout too much, so I'm going to revert it back to the left hand side. Simple as that.